Okay, students, welcome you once again. Chinapalli College classroom. Okay. I forgot to cover the last scene of the Old Man and the Sea. After Santiago coming back early morning, Manolin went on to him getting coffee and newspaper. Manolin got to see his boss hand and the other wound part of his boss, and he was so emotionally attached again to Santiago. बहुत इमोशनल हो जाइथिला तार क्षत विक्षत हाथ मान के देखि करी अदर पार्ट रे भी तांकर wounded हो जाइथिले. Then Santiago was also got emotional with Manolin, and he promises, both of them promises each other. So दुई जन को promise कले, ये भी और Santiago भी. The next time he says, I will not go alone, I will take you with me. And Manolin also promised himself and Santiago that I will not let you go again alone. मैं आप केवे भी तुमको एका जीवा का पाई देबी नहीं, मु तुम संगे सब तरह जीवी. And he takes care of his boss, and the wound has been recovered very fast. बहुत care करा तरना बड़ा करला घर अंदर सफा करला. This is the end of the story. Okay. Coming on to the moral values and what Hemingway want to tell the reader, the hidden things to the reader, the hidden jinso केतना से कहवा को चाहिए. The first is alone. जेतरे Santiago becomes when alone, or any person who becomes alone know the real energy. आमे लाइफ रे समस्त को सपोर्ट रे रहउछु. Father, mother, guardian, friends, or you are running department with support of many staff. So when you will be alone, you will able to know how much energy you are having with your body, with your arms, and how much talent you are having in your brain. Only eka hele eka you will able to know how much energy you are having. Know your real energy. Okay. Then theme of the story is struggle, defeat, and pride. Struggle. He was struggling since last 84 days to catch a fish. So never stop struggling, because after struggle, when you defeat your enemy or you defeat someone to achieve something, then you will get pride. Here fishing is a pride for Santiago. Santiago like गोटे गर्वर जिनिस थिला, not normal fishing खाइबा लागी कि मार्केट रे केते वैल्यू मिलबा सेटा नहीं. He wants a pride from other fishermen. बाकी fishermen का comparison ताकर गोटे pride हेगला. Being so old, still I can catch a big fish. That is a pride for Santiago. तांका पाई गोटे गर्व. So struggle, defeat, and pride. Okay. Then few symbolization. This was the moral of the story. But symbolization that sun is the symbol of ill power and ego. So storyline they explain in the sun. The sun is the willpower to encourage you that you can achieve the thing. You can struggle. You can move ahead. You are very stronger. That is the willpower. And ego is that I can only do. Why can't I do? I will do. I can only do. So that is the ego. Willpower and ego. Then waves, sea waves. Upcoming problems of life. Sea wave teaches Santiago that in life, not only during fishing, authors taught us about life that in whole of your life, you have to struggle and you face many problems in society. जेकोसी जगह भी काम करो problems तम पाकु आसीबो. Like if you are approaching to a sea, you will get waves. समुद्र को गले तम जेंती waves तमको disturb करंदी जेंती life रे बहुत struggle बहुत disturbing लोको आसीबे. But you have to move on. That is the problem of life. No one is fully aware of problem of life. केही upcoming problem को जानी नहीं, but we have to face and move on. Then Santiago has been conveyed a message by author that no one should be alone during his old age. जेतले बुढ़ा हे जीवा जने जेतले जने बुढ़ा हे ओल्ड एज को अप्रोच करिवो से एका रहबा कथा नुहे से जन सोशल सपोर्ट की चिल्ड्रन सपोर्ट गुटे रहबा कथा एंड इन ऑथर कंपेयर्स लायन with Santiago. This lion indicates that his Santiago's young age, when he was a young man fishing. He was fishing lot of fish, he was earning more money. तो lion संगे compare करिसेंती Santiago को Santiago रो young age को when he was young, energetic. Then he indicates the mast as this is like a cross. तो indicates the mass symbolize religiously जे मास रे जेसस थिले आ ही वाज सपोर्टिंग सैंटियागो तो स्टोरी लाइन रे टिके इन्फ्लुएंस हेकी टिके स्टोरी लाइन रे से कहसंती अबाउट रिलीजन देन ही कंपेयर द सैक्रिफाइस ऑफ मार्लिन फिश से मार्लिन फिश रो गोटे सैक्रिफाइस को कंपेयर करजंती एज इफ Jesus has sacrificed his life for people. So author has compared the mast of the boat with Jesus Christ, Jesus cross, and sacrifice of marlin is with the sacrifice of Jesus. As Jesus has sacrificed his life for people, लोगों को पाइन Jesus ताका life को sacrifice करते सही थी. Marlin fish had sacrificed his life. He was killed by Santiago and eaten by sharks. So he had sacrificed his life for the pride of Santiago. So these are the punchlines of the story. So everyone, congratulations that we are having a story of, we had a story of Hemingway on his birthday. So what we learn finally from the story, what is going to affect our life is, do not stop working on anything, do not stop reading, or do not stop to struggle in life, because if you are moving on your life, one day you will get the success. तमे लाइफ रे केबे भी कोनोसी काम करूछ आउ तमे सक्सेस मिलु नै इंस्टेंटली. यू शुड नॉट स्टॉप वर्किंग. तमे काम करिया बंद करिया कथा न है. इफ यू आर स्टडीइंग गेट वंस लेस मार्क्स in your academics, you should not be worried. You should further study more, and you will one day you will achieve as Santiago has achieved. Okay, so this is what is the life story. It's not a story of only Santiago and sea. This is the story of each and every human being, how to move on his life. ताको लाइफ में से आगु केंदी बढ़िया कथा हो, केबे भी स्ट्रगल स्टॉप करिया कथा न है. So that's all for the day, and see you tomorrow morning or afternoon with a new story or a new poetry. Till then, bye bye, have a good day, take care of yourself.